All right, it's a 2016 GMC Sierra. It's got this wireless charging pad right here. Kind of works, but it's kind of a pain to get to work. So we're gonna see if we can't fix that problem right now. So underneath, you take this plate off. It's just held on some clips so you can pry it off. Be careful, don't break it. Right here's your module for charging. Now, once you get your module off, there's 5 screws that hold it together. So we're going to open it up. All right, if we get all 5 screws out, I'm going to slowly, it's like there's glue inside. And they've glued something. There it is. Okay, the wrong side. I want the other side. Alright, so that's thing's called thermal paste. So you probably need to replace that if that comes off with it. Which I do have some, so I can replace it. Alright. Alright, so I got that open. You see your coil pack right there, that's what charges it. From what I've been told, if you remove, they said the thing's a repeater, there's a magnet in there, they said. From what I've heard. From what I've been told, if you remove this right here, it helps. I'm going to try it and see, so hopefully it helps. Let me remove it real quick. Alright, so there's that side. I think it's just glued on there. Alright, so I just took that off. I'm going to leave that off, put it back together. We're going to see what happens. Like I said, you will need some more thermal paste to replace this because this is a heat sink. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go get some thermal paste and replace that real quick. Alright, got all the thermal paste cleaned off. Thermal grease is what this was called. I'll put a little dab in the middle. We'll squish it in there. Alright, we'll put this thing back together. Yeah, no one I've talked to told me that I had thermal paste in there. So, luckily I have some. So if you're going to do this, you'll probably need to get you some thermal grease. Alright, I'll plug it back in. And I'm going to plug back in, I'm going to screw it back on. Maybe. All right, we got back together. I'm gonna turn the truck on and see if it works any better. I'm using my phone to record, so I'll have to turn it off for this. All right, it seems like it is working a little bit better. Not a whole lot. I'm not really impressed with it. I'm actually going to be looking into maybe replacing it. I know you can't buy newer modules for it. I think they had problems with I think 2010 and 2016, 2017 they had problems with them. You can't buy a newer one. I'm actually going to look into maybe different methods. I don't know. I'm going to see if I can't put something else in there besides going back to theirs. So anyway, I hope this helped you. Hopefully it works for you. So I wasn't too impressed with mine, but I've heard some people have some really good luck with it. So thanks for watching.